Hello guys, so I wanted to find out for sure if these seat platforms for the 70 Mustang are in the right position, if they're directly above the 4-hole cutouts that are in the floorboard. And that's the only actual way to decide where they go. There's really no point of location I see on the new aftermarket floorboards, so I suspect that they're going to be going right here, going to drill holes in these flanges and then basically TIG weld them to the floor right where they are. Hopefully they're in the right place. If you get this, if you see this, please comment below and let me know if I got them right. We'll see you on the next video of the 70 Mach 1 Mustang rebuild.